Tool Lots. Reliable equipment. Fast.
Hi, I'm Kyle LaRue and I'm with Tool Lots, and today we're going to be going over the operation of the Ving 1600 series laminator. So this machine has already been installed and is plugged in. We're going to talk about some of the features on the LCD and some of the various switches that come with this machine. So let's go ahead and power it on. The main power switch is on the back side of the machine. So we'll turn it on, and when we do that, we see this green LED turn on, and it's indicating that it's cold. So this means that our lower heat assisted roller is currently not being heated, and this makes sense because our cold and hot switch is set to its cold setting right now. So before we go ahead and turn the heat on, we're going to want to remove these spacers that are sent with the machine during shipping. So we do this by using our manual control wheel to lower and raise the rollers. So we'll go ahead and turn it clockwise, and you see the rollers lifting up. Provide enough space to grab these out of here. There's one, and there's two, and we'll just set these aside. Okay, so now that we have those removed, we can go ahead and play around with some of the features on the LCD screen. So let's go ahead and turn on our heat assist. So when we do this, we see our LCD turn on, and our LED goes from the cold position to the hot position. Currently, we have our temperature set at 60 degrees. If we want to adjust this, we come and press the set button, and this will display the temperature setting, and it's currently at 60 degrees. So we can choose to lower this or raise this. So it looks like we have our max of 60 degrees, so we'll leave that set. And it's going to ask you for its password, and the password for this machine is all zeros. So we'll hit set, and there we go. So we have our set temperature, and we have our current temperature. And we can see on the LCD screen that it's currently heating. So some of the other options that you have on this control panel are the continuous and inching modes. So the continuous is the setting used to control the roller itself. And this allows the user to use the variable control knob to adjust the speed of the roll. So we can go ahead and turn our roller. Oh, actually, we have to have this setting on the forward motion. So we'll go ahead and change it to our forward, turn on our variable speed knob, and we can see our lower roller and our back roller begin to speed. So if we turn this all the way up, we can see we have our full speed rotation, and the max speed of this machine is 236 inches per minute. So go ahead and turn that down, completely off. Again, we can access our wheels with our manual adjust system. Another important note that's a safety feature on this machine, if we turn our rolling back on, it's equipped with a safety photo cell. So this is located just in front of the rollers. So if the user places their hand in front of the photo cell, it's going to stop the rotation of the rollers, and this is to prevent any injury. So we pull it away, and we see the machine begins to operate again. Another safety feature is our emergency stop button. So in the event that the user sees something going on incorrectly, we can go ahead, hit our emergency stop, and the machine ceases to operate. And we rotate the knob to turn the machine back on. So we can also set the machine into the inching setting, and this will allow the user to operate the foot pedal. Instead of the continuous rotation, we can place it on inching, and we have it set to forward. And if we go ahead and press this now, we see nothing happens. And this is because our current speed is set to 0. So even though it's set to inching, we can adjust the inching speed. So we'll go ahead and place it on a setting of 3, press our foot pedal, and now we see it operating. And this allows the user to work on the front side of the machine, as well as bring the pedal to the back side of the machine and work back here. Again, in the inching mode, we can operate this machine in reverse as well. So if we switch from forward to reverse, hit our foot pedal, we see we get the opposite rotation. So that's basically it for this machine. Again, general preheating times anywhere from 5 to 10 minutes. So thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed.